let lovers meet the shitty to one side of the front.
Just kidding. Is adventure personified. Oh, hello, beautiful Scheherazade. We are rebels, we are rebels. We sail the seven seas. Fame and fortune you shall find on this odyssey. Ooh, rebel little kids now. Rebel little kids now. A legend to the race. They follow teamwork at a furious pace. But these guys really know when to cut off the road.
ship. You should all be celebrating.
came back from the Anchors Away Parade. Comment below what you guys thought of it.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning to those of you just getting out of bed. It is the captain here on the bridge with my noon report for today, Thursday, November the 9th. The ship's position at noon, 27 degrees, 22 minutes north, 64 degrees, 42 minutes west. And what that really means, if you do not have your global positioning system or GPS receiver with you, is that the nearest land is on the starboard side. That's Bermuda. So the island of Bermuda is 292 nautical miles away on our starboard side. We're almost due south of Bermuda at this time. We do have, there has been very few ships we've seen, but we do have a ship at the moment 22 nautical miles away on the starboard side. That is the ship, it's a cargo ship called the FWN Performer. We are currently crossing the Nares Abyssal Plain, which is a flat sea floor at a depth of about 6,000 meters. So this is where we are on the surface of the ocean. That's the ocean floor. And the depth in this area right now, 13,189 feet or 5,325 meters. That's very, very deep water that we're sailing in at the moment. We have sailed 3,064 nautical miles since we left Cadiz. Remaining distance to Nassau in the Bahamas is now 706 nautical miles, less than 1,000 miles to go. We're getting very, very close. We are still arriving on time, November 11th, 7 a.m. pilot station, 8 a.m. alongside. And we have a beautiful, beautiful day at sea. Partly cloudy skies, sea conditions about 6 feet or 2 meters. High temperatures, 79 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 26 degrees Celsius. And the wind is northerly up to about 10 knots. Tomorrow should be another beautiful day at sea. The wind will be coming more from the east. Tonight, before you go to bed, remember we'll be putting the ship's clocks back 1 hour again. So at 2 a.m. ship's clocks will go back 1 hour to 1 a.m. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention. Hope you have a wonderful day today and enjoy this beautiful day at sea. 3, 2, 1,
go! Wow. Are you ready?
Nope.
Fantastic. Let's count them in 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Ready, let's do this. All right, let's count them down, folks. In 3, 2, 1, go! Do it. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God. Yeah, I love the energy. In 3,
2, 1.
go!
Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. We are, anak sejarah. We are, dulu sejarah. I am wasting no more time, 'cause here I go again.
here I go again. Though I keep searching for an answer, I never seem to find what I'm looking for. But Lord, I pray you give me strength to carry on, 'cause I know what it means to walk alone this lonely street of dreams. So here I go again on my own, going down the only road I've ever known. Like a drifter I was born to walk alone.
With you I'd always share, because when the sunshine will shine together, told you I'd be here forever, said I'd always be your friend, took an oath and I'ma stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella, you can stand under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella.
So what if we took our time? Slow it down, baby, mura, 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 mura. So what if we took our time? Slow it down, baby, mura, 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 mura.
Beautifully done, it tickled its way in. Yes! Come on, girls! Boys are in the lead. Oh, so close, come on back. Yes, come on. It's like the cutest little run. Oh, so close. Oh, come on back. Got one boy left against two girls. Come on back. It's okay. This last one, I would like you to assume the position, please. That's not the position. Come on, Chris, turn around. Let me see that sunshine. Okay. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. All right, so. Possibly guess what's about to happen, Roger. Don't judge a book by its colour. There we go. We don't know what's about to happen here. Or do we? I don't know. Okay, so what you need to do, quite simply, place the balloon on the other person's buttocks, and then simply pop it. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I'm so sorry, that's never happened before. My apologies. Could have been the music. 1 second. Ruined my vibe. Just let me get in position. Okay. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, wait! Don't just leave it out there. Leave it out there. Otherwise you're gonna have to do me, and I don't want to do that again. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. This is never gonna work, Chris. Oh, you know what? Stand up. For God's sake. Come on, boys. Front to front, girls. Very good, very good. Front to front, he's laid an egg. Oh! Did you see the pole that come out? Look at that jump. The excitement is real. Back to back. Come on, girls. Oh, get another balloon, get another balloon, get another balloon. That's the longest I've ever seen this go on for. There we go! Okay, come on! Come on, girls, you've got it! Hold on to it! Hey! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the boys! Ladies and gentlemen, the boys have won tonight's game. Spartans, where are you? Very nicely done, boys. Very nicely done. Girls, you were so close, but yet so far. Let's give a big massive round of applause for all of the boys and girls that took part tonight. Very good. Now, those boys, you're probably thinking, what have you won tonight? What have you won? Well, I can tell you.